NIA's case against Sachin Waze is becoming more and more strong, is what the agency has claimed. We are talking about Ambani bomb threat case. On 25th of February, a Scorpio with gelatin sticks in it was found abandoned 600 meters away from Antilia Mukesh Ambani's residence in South Bombay. Since then, this particular case is being investigated by various agencies, one after the other. It all started with Mumbai Police's Gamdevi Police Station filing an FIR. Then the case was transferred to Crime Branch. Then the case was transferred to Maharashtra ATS. And now NIA is investigating the case. So NIA has arrested API Sachin Waze for his alleged involved role and planting the gelatin outside Antilia. Now, another thing which the agency has confirmed to Mirror Now, that earlier Mirror Now exclusively broke that how the agency was actually probing that whether the man who was seen wearing a PPE kit outside Antilia, the spot where the Scorpio was planted on that day, was he Sachin Waze or not? So now the agency has confirmed that that man was Sachin Waze, the man who was seen wearing a PPE kit and was walking near the spot where the Scorpio was abandoned on the intervening nights of 24th and 25th February when the Scorpio was actually abandoned, is Sachin Waze himself, is what NIA has told Mirror Now. Now, in fact, NIA has also seized a vehicle, a Mercedes this time, from the Mumbai Police headquarters compound, the place where Sachin Waze's office was there. So, according to NIA, this Mercedes was actually used by Sachin Waze and it was parked inside the compound only. Now, what is the significance of this Mercedes? That two things. First, Mansukh Hiren, who was said to be in the possession of the Scorpio, he actually returned to Thane from CST on 17th of February in this particular Mercedes, which was actually, according to NIA, being used by Sachin Waze. So it actually further establishes the link between the two. And now what else is there? When the Mercedes was actually today seized by NIA found out that there were huge amount of cash is there in the Mercedes. Apart from that, the clothes which Sachin Waze was wearing on 24th of February, those clothes are there. Apart from that, NIA has also said that the registration plate of the original registration plate of the Scorpio is also there. And NIA has also told Mirror Now that Sachin Waze actually burned the PPE kit which he wore the night of 24th February and 25th February and was seen wandering near the spot. So, talking about the investigation in this case, NIA as of now has arrested one accused only, that is Sachin Waze. NIA is also probing the alleged role of other police officers involved in this particular crime. NIA also searched the office of Crime Investigation Unit, Department of Mumbai Police Crime Branch, and specifically raided the cabin of Sachin Waze and seized documents, digital evidence and his mobile phone and laptop from there. This is Sandhya reporting for Mirror Now.